Hey, what's up, Coin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers. For in last 24 hours, the Coin price is increasing. Otherwise, in last 2 or 3 days, my friend, the price is very badly turns down. So therefore, I think this is really good news for all of you, my friends. To Digibyte price will pump up, and I have also second good news for all of you. To on 5th November, very huge explosion is coming soon. I am going to explain now, but kindly please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brothers. As you can see, from last 12 hours, the price is increasing. So there is a few reason, my friend, to when short-term investors stop selling, so the price will pumping up. But also, my friend, when long-term investors are starting, my friends, buying more and more, so the price will more and more increasing. So therefore, this is the first reason, my friend, to which I have explained now. I hope the price will more and more increasing. And the second, the big reason, my friend, which I found to the price will pumping up after the 1st November, expert predicate this coin. Expert says, my friends, in upcoming time the price will increasing. So therefore, I am 100% sure, I am 100% clear, my friends, to the price will completely go to the moon. So don't miss this chance, please. If you are starting buying, my friend, in 1st November, then the price will slowly moving upward. But after the 5th November, my friend, they will suddenly take a very huge jump. They will wake up. So therefore, I hope that they will give you a very good profit. So kindly don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I am 100% sure to Digibyte price will increasing and they will give you a profit. So please, if you want to get a profit from crypto, so subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.